not top one, and then this one. You have to make sure that this is tight.
So this is the manual way to play a
Brake line.
brake line.
Double.
And how you measure that again?
Here. The height.
Ah,
You
okay.
gotta have that double player. That's what they required. You have to have that height.
What is that size of brake line?
This one is 316
316.
diameter. Now the flaring die is 6 millimeter. See, the die is 6 millimeter for 316.
So if you're gonna rate this to 1 to 5, the 5 is the hardest, and 1 is the easiest. What can you rate it?
This one is not that hard. It just takes time.
Just takes time.
Yeah, and more practice. You gotta hone your, if you have this kind of toy, you have to play a lot.
To practice it.
You need more, hands-on. It's like NBA players. What they do is they play every day. They get more hoop. Put the ball in the hoop.
So right now we're doing double player for a
brake line.
Brake line.
Brake line, double player connection. One more. Just getting tighter.
So where you get this tool again?
At auto parts store.
Auto parts store.
Unbranded. No name.
No,
Cheap, cheap, but it works. It's not really that perfect tools to have, but it's good to have.
This is the basic tool, right?
Yeah, basic tool function. It functions on what you need. There you go. Look at it. See, that's better.
That's beautiful.
Beautiful than what
the,
it was.
Yep.
You got the edge shiny.
Yep.
It's a little bit better than what we did before.
Yep. That is double player for
Brake line.
Brake line.
Connection.
Yep.
One out.
Loosening it up so we can see what it look like.
How it look. Yeah. How quality wise these tools make.
I think that's way better than the first one.
Yeah, because we clean them good. See how thick it is.
Oops.
Yeah, that's not bad. And then in the inside, if you connect it like this, let me see. If you connect it, it's gonna be good. Like,
oh, look at that.
Like
that's more sealed.
Not really that even, but eventually, if you screw it in, you got more even.